Ride till I can't no more.
I got the horses in the back. Horse stock is a
Hello, and welcome everyone to my channel, Zickle Zeb. It's your boy Z here today. Today we're going to be doing a video on an area of London that is often overlooked when it comes to having both food, cultural awareness, amazing architecture, as well as history and a few little gems. Today's video is dedicated to Southwark, not Southwark, but pronounced Southwark. We have in previous videos encountered sites within some detail, including London Bridge, which connects City of London to Southwark, Borough Market. Now we're going to go into more detail, so stick about to the end and enjoy this small video. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content and show some love with those comments. Enjoy!
Caramel ice latte, that's it. God, I love this. There's not a lot of choices though. All the other cafes have common alcohol in it.